Mental Warriors, welcome back to Mentally Sound Journey, where we are rebuilding self-worth, rising from the ashes of trauma. The cost of comparison. Trauma taught me how easy it was to compare myself to others. I measured my worth by someone else's standards, their love, their attention, their approval. But comparison is a thief, Mental Warriors. It steals joy, it steals peace, and it steals confidence. Self-worth grows when you stop measuring your journey against someone else's path. We're all got our own journey. Your experiences, your challenges, your scars, they make you unique. You are not broken for have been hurt before. That doesn't break you. You are powerful still for surviving and for continuing to be and continuing to rise. So today, notice when you compare yourself, and then breathe, say, my path is mine alone, and it's valuable. With each repetition, comparison loses its grip, and your worth shines even brighter. Affirmation: I honor my journey. My value is not determined by others. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Share this content with someone that may be able to use it. Comment in the comment box. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.